This is the Micellar Cleansing Water from Garnier, and I cannot even begin to explain how much I love this product. It is a wonderful makeup remover. I love that I could ditch those makeup wipes that I used to buy because one, they're expensive, two, they're wasteful. So it comes with those one-time use wipes. So when I pair this with some reusable makeup browns, these are bamboo cotton, reusable makeup browns. So now I have so much less waste. So I love that part. So super easy to use. It's an all-in-one. It cleanses, removes makeup, and smooths your skin. So I love that you can just simply apply it to your makeup round, and it removes the makeup so well, so seamlessly, and it feels nice on your skin. You can use it on your eyes. So I used to have to use makeup wipes and then also an eye makeup remover, but this removes my eye makeup. So I don't need two products anymore. This is an all-in-one. It does everything for you. So here, I can show you how it removes my makeup. So I have some eyeshadow on, and I have some mascara, and I also have some eyeliner. So you can see that it comes right off. And I love that because it just I'm one of those people who gets super lazy about taking my makeup off. And it's just one of those, oh, I have to go do this so I can wash my face. But this kind of makes the routine a little bit easier and just simply takes everything off. And I just love it so much. So once I take my makeup off, then I wash my face, but you don't have to even do that. You don't have to rinse this off. It doesn't leave. I always felt like with the makeup wipes that I would use it, and then I felt like I had to rinse my face afterwards. This does not leave that residue like the makeup wipes do, at least for me. So I really love this product, and I use it every single day that I have makeup on. So highly recommend, definitely check it out. It comes in different sizes. I did have the travel size, but I could not find it. This is actually the biggest size, 23.7 fluid ounces. So it's almost double the 13 ounce. Definitely check it out, highly recommend.